Hello, I'm Katie Jerram-Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. The Signature Comb, elegant and useful comb, laser cut stainless steel comb coated in titanium for great sectioning the mane, cleaning brushes with the deep-seated debris. It's fantastic. You pick it up, you comb them out. As in another, you use a curry comb. The curry comb doesn't get into the bottom of your brush and really gets rid of the dirt from down. You can wash, you can curry comb, but this Signature Comb does a better job. It sweeps the old debris hair out, which you need. Every day at the end of using your lovely kit from Renwick Sons, please clean them with this comb. It's fantastic. Signature Comb, a real must. Fantastic comb, easy to hold, easy to use, and just great little bit of equipment. Small, neat, useful.